This bottle you see here of plant rinse was ring, no water added, raw sap from some highly medicinal plant that is very high with real-time iron, not like the synthetic iron at your pharmacist today that have you coming back. According to Dr. Sebi, human iron is the human spark plug. We need iron. And guess what? If you have a disease, most likely you are anemic most times. Iron is the spark plug to the human body. When you're deficient of iron, the body loses energy and the immune system start give way. Without iron, we age fast and not able to even stand upright. I'm telling you that this iron, I can bet on it that if it does not work, I'll reimburse you your fund. This bottle you're looking at in Jamaica, half of it is $2,500. The full bottle is $5,000, and the link is below in the bio to purchase it on our eBay store here at KTV Herbal Remedies. Yo, listen to me now. Jamaica, all over the world, this iron is none like the rest. The product will speak for itself. Give it a